Sta-Kon is a well-known and trusted brand for crimp tools and connector systems, offering a comprehensive range of solutions for conductors larger than #10. Key features include firstly, high-quality materials for durability and reliability, secondly, a wide variety of terminal connectors and crimp tools, and thirdly, insulated and non-insulated options with underwriters' laboratories, or all, listing for safety and performance. Tyco Electronics, also known as TE Connectivity, is another industry leader in crimp tools and connector systems. Their product line includes options for heavy-duty applications with large conductors. Key features include firstly, rugged construction for challenging environments, secondly, advanced crimp technology for secure connections, and thirdly, a comprehensive range of terminals and crimpers that are globally recognized for reliability and quality. Greenlee specializes in tools for electrical applications, including crimp tools and thermal connectors. They offer a wide selection of products designed for various wire sizes and types. Key features include firstly, ergonomic designs for ease of use, secondly, high-strength materials for durability, and thirdly, underwriters' laboratories, or all, listing for safety and compliance, distributed through electrical supply houses. Amphenol ICC is a global supplier of electrical and electronic connectors. Their crimp tool and connector systems are designed for industrial, commercial, and military applications. Key features include firstly, advanced crimp geometries for optimal performance, secondly, an extensive product portfolio catering to diverse needs, and thirdly, durable construction for harsh environments with international approvals for global use. Klein Tools is known for their high-quality hand tools for electrical applications. Their crimp tools and terminal connectors are designed for professional electricians requiring reliable and durable solutions. Key features include firstly, precise crimping action for secure connections, secondly, long-lasting materials for extended use, and thirdly, ergonomic handles for comfort and control, backed by a lifetime warranty. When choosing a crimp tool and connector system for conductors larger than #10, it depends on the specific application and requirements. Factors to consider are firstly, wire size and type. Choose a system that supports the conductor size and type you are working with. Secondly, durability and reliability. Consider the operating environment and ensure the system can withstand the conditions. Thirdly, ease of use. Ergonomic designs and user-friendly features can improve efficiency and reduce fatigue. Fourthly, safety. Look for underwriters' laboratories or all listed products for compliance and safety assurance. Fifthly, availability. Consider the local availability of tools, connectors, and replacement parts. Overall, Sta-Kon, Tyco Electronics, Greenlee, Amphenol ICC, and Klein Tools offer reputable crimp tools and connector systems for large conductors. Choice between them will depend on the specific needs of the application. Choosing the right crimp tool and connector system is crucial for ensuring safe and reliable electrical connections, especially when working with larger conductors. Consider the following aspects in detail to make an informed decision. Firstly, let's discuss wire size and type compatibility. It is absolutely essential to select a crimp tool and connector system that is specifically designed and rated for the conductor size you are using. Using an incorrectly sized tool or connector can result in a poor crimp, leading to loose connections, overheating, and potential electrical failures. Always refer to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure compatibility. Furthermore, different types of wires, such as stranded or solid, may require specific types of connectors and crimping techniques. For instance, stranded wire generally requires a connector that can effectively grip the individual strands without causing damage. Secondly, we need to look at the durability and environmental resistance. The operating environment plays a significant role in determining the type of crimp tool and connector system you should choose. In harsh environments with exposure to moisture, chemicals, or extreme temperatures, it is important to select connectors and tools that are designed to withstand these conditions. Look for connectors made from corrosion-resistant materials and crimp tools with durable construction that can withstand frequent use and rough handling. Sealed connectors, for example, offer excellent protection against moisture and contaminants, making them ideal for outdoor or industrial applications. Thirdly, the ease of use and ergonomics are a very important factor. Crimp tools with ergonomic designs and user-friendly features can significantly improve efficiency and reduce fatigue, especially when performing repetitive crimping tasks. Look for tools with comfortable handles, smooth crimping action, and clear markings for proper die selection. Some advanced crimp tools also feature ratcheting mechanisms that ensure a consistent and reliable crimp every time. Additionally, consider the weight and balance of the tool, as a lighter and well-balanced tool can reduce strain on your hands and wrists. Fourthly, safety and compliance should be a main factor. Always prioritize safety when selecting crimp tools and connector systems. Look for products that are Underwriters Laboratories, or all listed or certified by other recognized testing laboratories. Underwriters Laboratories, or all listing indicates that the product has been tested and meets established safety standards. Ensure that the crimp tool and connectors are properly insulated to prevent electrical shock and that they comply with all applicable electrical codes and regulations, such as those outlined by the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Fifthly, consider the availability and support. Consider the local availability of tools, connectors, and replacement parts. Choosing a brand that is readily available in your area can save you time and money in the long run. Also, check for the availability of technical support and training resources. Some manufacturers offer comprehensive training programs and online resources to help you properly use their products and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Sta-Kon connectors are widely recognized for their quality and reliability in electrical connections. Here's a more detailed look at why they are a preferred choice for many professionals. Firstly, we have the material quality. Sta-Kon connectors are manufactured using high-quality materials, ensuring excellent conductivity and durability. The connector bodies are typically made from copper or aluminum, providing superior electrical performance. The insulation is often made from nylon or vinyl, offering reliable protection against electrical shock and environmental factors. Secondly, they have a comprehensive product range. Sta-Kon offers a wide variety of terminal connectors to accommodate different wire sizes and types. Their product line includes ring terminals, fork terminals, butt connectors, disconnects, and more. Whether you are working with small gauge wires or large conductors, you can find a Sta-Kon connector to meet your specific needs. Thirdly, insulated and non-insulated options are available. Sta-Kon connectors are available in both insulated and non-insulated options. Insulated connectors provide an additional layer of protection against electrical shock and short circuits, while non-insulated connectors are suitable for applications where insulation is not required. The insulation is typically color-coded to indicate the wire size range for which the connector is designed. Fourthly, Underwriters Laboratories, or all listing ensures safety. Sta-Kon connectors are Underwriters Laboratories, or all listed, meaning they have been tested and meet established safety standards. Underwriters Laboratories, or all listing provides assurance that the connectors are safe to use and will perform reliably in accordance with their specifications. Fifthly, the ease of use is excellent. Sta-Kon connectors are designed for easy installation using standard crimp tools. The connectors feature funnel entry barrels that guide the wire into the connector for a secure crimp. The crimp tools are also designed to provide consistent and reliable crimp every time, ensuring a secure electrical connection. Tyco Electronics, now known as Tyco Connectivity, is a global leader in connectivity and sensor solutions, offering a broad portfolio of products for various industries. Their crimp tools and connector systems are known for their ruggedness, advanced technology, and reliability. Firstly, rugged construction is a key feature. Tyco Connectivity connectors are designed to withstand harsh environments and demanding applications. They are made from high-strength materials and are tested to ensure they can withstand vibration, shock, and extreme temperatures. This makes them ideal for use in industrial, aerospace, and military applications. Secondly, they have an advanced crimp technology. Tyco Connectivity utilizes advanced crimp technology to ensure secure and reliable electrical connection. Their crimp tools are designed to provide precise crimping action, ensuring that the connector is properly attached to the wire. This helps to prevent loose connections and electrical failures. Thirdly, there is a comprehensive range of terminals and crimpers. TE Connectivity offers a comprehensive range of terminals and crimpers to meet the needs of different applications. Their product line includes ring terminals, fork terminals, butt connectors, disconnects, and more. They also offer a variety of crimp tools, including hand tools, pneumatic tools, and battery-powered tools. Fourthly, global recognition for reliability and quality. TE Connectivity is a globally recognized brand known for its reliability and quality. Their products are used by leading companies in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and telecommunications. They have a strong reputation for providing high-quality products that perform reliably in demanding environments. Greenlee is a well-known manufacturer of tools and equipment for the electrical, construction, and telecommunications industries. Their crimp tools and terminal connectors are designed for professional use and are known for their durability, ease of use, and compliance with safety standards. Firstly, they have an ergonomic design, which is a key feature. Greenlee crimp tools are designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring comfortable handles and easy-to-use mechanisms. This helps to reduce fatigue and improve efficiency, especially when performing repetitive crimping tasks. Secondly, there are high-strength materials for durability. Greenlee crimp tools and connectors are made from high-strength materials, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments. The tools are designed to provide a long service life, even with frequent use. Thirdly, Underwriters Laboratories, or ALL, listing for safety and compliance is ensured. Greenlee products are Underwriters Laboratories, or ALL, listed, meaning they have been tested and meet established safety standards. Underwriters Laboratories, or ALL, listing provides assurance that the products are safe to use and comply with applicable electrical codes and regulations. Fourthly, distribution is through electrical supply houses. Greenlee products are typically distributed through electrical supply houses, making them readily available to professional electricians and contractors. This ensures that users can easily access the tools and connectors they need to get the job done. Amphenol ICC is a global leader in interconnect solutions, providing a wide range of connectors and cable assemblies for various applications. Their crimp tool and connector systems are designed for industrial, commercial, and military applications, offering advanced performance, durability, and reliability. Firstly, they have advanced crimp geometries. Amphenol ICC connectors feature advanced crimp geometries that ensure optimal electrical performance and mechanical strength. The crimp design is optimized to provide a secure and reliable connection even in demanding environments. Secondly, they have an extensive product portfolio. Amphenol ICC offers an extensive product portfolio of connectors and cable assemblies to meet the needs of diverse applications. Their product line includes connectors for power, signal, and data transmission, as well as cable assemblies for various industries. Thirdly, there is durable construction for harsh environments. Amphenol ICC connectors are designed to withstand harsh environments, including extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock. They are made from durable materials and are tested to ensure they can perform reliably in demanding applications. Fourthly, there are international approvals for global use. Amphenol ICC connectors have international approvals, such as Underwriters Laboratories, or ALL, and Canadian Standards Association, or CSA, making them suitable for use in various countries and regions. This ensures that the connectors meet the requirements of different regulatory agencies and can be used in global applications. Klein Tools is a well-known manufacturer of high-quality hand tools for the electrical, construction, and telecommunications industries. Their crimp tools and terminal connectors are designed for professional electricians and are known for their precision, durability, and reliability. Firstly, there is a precise crimping action. Klein Tools crimp tools are designed to provide a precise crimping action, ensuring a secure and reliable electrical connection. The tools feature precision machine dies that create a consistent and uniform crimp every time. Secondly, there are long-lasting materials for extended use. Klein Tools, Crimp tools and connectors are made from long-lasting materials, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments. The tools are designed to provide a long service life, even with frequent use. Thirdly, ergonomic handles for comfort and control are installed. Klein Tools, Crimp tools feature ergonomic handles that provide comfort and control, reducing fatigue and improving efficiency. The handles are designed to fit comfortably in the hand, allowing for a secure grip and precise crimping action. Fourthly, backed by a lifetime warranty. Klein Tools, Crimp tools are backed by a lifetime warranty, providing assurance that the tools are free from defects in materials and workmanship. The lifetime warranty demonstrates Klein Tools' commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. When selecting a crimp tool and connector system, it is crucial to consider the wire gauge and material to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Firstly, consider the wire gauge compatibility. The wire gauge refers to the size of the wire, typically measured in American wire gauge, or AUG. Crimp tools and connectors are designed to accommodate specific wire gauge ranges. Using a crimp tool or connector that is not compatible with the wire gauge can result in an improper crimp, leading to loose connection, overheating, or even electrical failure. Always refer to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure that the crimp tool and connector are compatible with the wire gauge you are using. Secondly, a wire material compatibility is just as important. The wire material, such as copper or aluminum, also plays a significant role in selecting the appropriate crimp tool and connector system. Copper and aluminum have different electrical and mechanical properties, requiring specific types of connectors and crimping techniques. For example, aluminum wires require connectors and crimp tools that are specifically designed for aluminum, as copper connectors can cause corrosion and lead to a failure of the connection. Metal connectors are available for connecting copper and aluminum wires, ensuring a reliable and corrosion-resistant connection. In addition to wire gauge and material, it is also important to consider the type of insulation used in the wire. Some types of insulation, such as Teflon or silicone, may require special connectors and crimping techniques to ensure a secure and reliable connection. Always refer to the manufacturer's specifications for guidance on selecting the appropriate crimp tool and connector system for the wire you are using.